Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 work from home outfits that can be worn obviously if you're working from home or even on the weekends if you just want to be cozy and just stay home. These outfits are perfect for that. So if you want to see these outfits, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I do want to say that all my outfits are going to be worn with my slippers. These are so cute from Amazon, super inexpensive, super cozy, and go with every outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna have these linked down below for you guys. Okay, so first outfit is this one that I'm wearing right now. Super cute. So I start off with my Lulu Aligns. These are so cute, so comfortable. Sorry if I have like fuzz all over. This is like a newer sweater, so it gets on the leggings. But anyways, these are so cute, comfortable. If you don't have Lulus, totally okay. You can wear any leggings or whatever you want to be comfortable. These are just my go-to leggings, super comfortable, and I love them and I wear them all the time. So I'm gonna start off with these, and then I paired it with the super cute long crew neck sweatshirt. I love the tie-dye colors. It's perfect, very neutral, so it works with like anything that you have on, which is really great. And what I love about it is that it has the buttons on the side that you can open up, tuck into jeans if you really wanted to, but if not, works great. Is long enough to cover the butt, which is a plus, so leggings under this is perfect. And then I just paired it with like some dainty jewelry, like my rings, my necklaces, earrings. Nothing too over the top because we are trying to be comfortable but also like kind of put together. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. Okay, so for outfit number 2, I decided to wear this super cozy quarter zip sweater. It is so nice. I am in love with this one. So what I love about it is that it first of all has long sleeves, so like my hands are going to be super warm and they're not going to be like, you know, open like this, which I love. That's my number 1. Number 2, I love that it has a pocket. It doesn't look like it's a full pocket from the sides, but it totally is. Like you can put your phone in here and you can get it on both sides, which I love. And then I love this detail that you can literally zip it all the way up and it covers your neck, which is perfect for the colder months. If you're running out to get like a midday coffee or anything and it's colder where you are, totally zip up and you are so warm with this one. So I paired this with my Lulus again, super easy, comfortable, and cozy, which I love. So I ended up getting this in a size small. They have an extra small, but I kind of wanted like a more roomier cozy fit, so I definitely sized up. But if you want like a more snug fit, totally just get your normal size. But yeah, love this one. It's so cute, so warm, and I love the color. It literally works with anything. I can wear this with jeans, I can wear this with denim, I can do black pants, I can do leggings, literally anything. This is the perfect color and I love how cozy this is. Okay, so for outfit number 3, I decided to go with this super cute set from an Instagram shop that I found. It's called Shop Sun Honey, so I'll link it down below for you guys. The girl who owns the shop, Alyssa, she is so cute, so nice. I love her shop and I feel like everything on there is like perfect and I'd wear everything. So yeah, when I saw this set, actually I have the set in blue and I ended up buying it, and then for my birthday my boyfriend actually ended up buying me this color set because I love it so much. So yeah, it's super cute. It's like a halter top kind of. There we go, you can see it there. And then these are cute high-waisted leggings, super easy, comfortable, just to throw on and go. I work out with these, I lounge in these. I do like everything in these. These are awesome. But yeah, and then I added this super cute, cozy, like open cardigan. I love it so much. This entire outfit I actually wore when I was driving up from Florida back to Jersey. I wore this outfit on the entire trip and it was perfect. So I wore this, like I took off the sweater when I was driving in Florida, and then once I got like to the higher states like Delaware and stuff like that, I ended up putting on this jacket because it got a little bit colder. But yeah, it was so cozy and it was perfect for the trip and very comfortable. So this is definitely one of my go-to work from home outfits. It's cute, you look put together, and you're so comfortable. So yeah, this is outfit number 3. Okay, so for the fourth outfit, I ended up going with my go-to Brandy Melville gray sweats. I love these. They're high-waisted. They're so comfortable. They're my go-to. They're like perfect. So I went with these, and then I paired it with the Shop Sunny top set. So from the previous set that I was wearing before, just the top in the blue version that I absolutely love. So I paired it with this, and then I ended up layering another one of the Brandy Melville zip ups. You can literally do any zip up, but this is my favorite. It's white and it has a little blue like angel on here, which kind of ties in the blue here, and it's gray. Sorry, and it's white and it goes with the gray, so it's like perfect. And yeah, this is like the last look. Super easy. I can zip it up and not show like my midriff, I guess, or my belly area if I have like a Zoom meeting or something. And again, still look put together because... So that was the end of this video. If you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you liked any of these outfits, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite. Also, let me know what you guys wear if you're still working from home, or what you wear when you're just lounging around and not really doing anything, like on the weekends or afterwards. Let me know in the comments below. I love loungewear. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.